the last 7 days, I tested 3 viral AI side hustles, using tools anyone can access. No coding. No startup capital. Just AI and internet access. Here's how much I made, what actually worked, and what you should absolutely avoid. From selling digital products on Etsy, to using AI to run a faceless YouTube channel, to offering Fiverr gigs without doing the hard work myself. This is what happened. Days 1 and 2, I created and listed 5 digital planners on Etsy using Canva and ChatGPT. No design skills needed, just smart prompts and simple templates. I wrote product descriptions with ChatGPT and used Canva to make the planners. By day 7, 2 planners sold. That's $26.97 from less than 90 minutes of work. It's not massive, but it's passive. And it scales over time. Biggest lesson? Etsy works best when you niche down and learn Etsy SEO. Next, I built a faceless YouTube channel using only AI tools. ChatGPT wrote the scripts, 11 Labs gave me a voice, and Pictory turned the text into full videos. I uploaded 3 videos to a brand new channel. One video got over 1,100 views in 3 days. No revenue yet, but the growth is promising. This side hustle is a long game. But once monetized, it's 100% passive and scalable. For hustle number 3, I created Fiverr gigs offering blog writing and AI art services. ChatGPT helped me write content, and Midjourney generated images. It only took me 20 minutes to set up the gigs. In 7 days, I got 2 orders, one for a blog post and another for custom images. Total earnings, $25. Fiverr is competitive, but with the right keywords and gig descriptions, beginners can get orders too. In total, I made $76.97 in 7 days from these 3 AI side hustles. Etsy gave me passive sales. Fiverr brought quick cash. YouTube is a long-term play. Each one has serious potential if you're consistent. Want to see which of these I scale to $1,000 per month? Hit that subscribe button and join the journey. Links to every tool I used are in the description. Most of them are free to start with.